RV Ireland is an important case in criminal law as it recognized that bodily harm includes psychiatric injury and that the conduct of making silent telephone calls can amount to an assault. The appeal was heard by the House of Lords at the same time as the case of RV Burstow. The defendant made a series of silent telephone calls over 3 months to 3 different women. He was convicted of ABH under Section 47 of the Offences Against the Person Act 1861. He appealed contending that silence cannot amount to an assault and that psychiatric injury is not bodily harm. His conviction was upheld. The House of Lords held that silence can amount to an assault and psychiatric injury can amount to bodily harm. Lord Steyn stated, "Counsel argued that as a matter of law an assault can never be committed by words alone and therefore it cannot be committed by silence. The premise depends on the slenderest authority, namely, an observation by Mr. Justice Holroyd to a jury that no words or singing are equivalent to an assault, Meads and Belt's case. The proposition that a gesture may amount to an assault, but that words can never suffice, is unrealistic and indefensible. I would, therefore, reject the proposition that an assault can never be committed by words." Lord Steyn continued in relation to psychiatric harm. The proposition that the Victorian legislator, when enacting sections 18, 20 and 47 of the Offences Against the Person Act 1861, would not have had in mind psychiatric illness is no doubt correct. Psychiatry was in its infancy in 1861, but the subjective intention of the draftsman is immaterial. The only relevant inquiry is as to the sense of the words in the context in which they are used. Moreover, the Act of 1861 is a statute of the always speaking type. The statute must be interpreted in the light of the best current scientific appreciation of the link between the body and psychiatric injury. For these reasons I would, therefore, reject the challenge to the correctness of R.V. Chan Fook, 1994. In my view, the ruling in that case was based on principled and cogent reasoning and it marked a sound and essential clarification of the law. I would hold that bodily harm, in sections 18, 20 and 47 must be interpreted so as to include recognizable psychiatric illness. In summary, RV Ireland involved the defendant making silent phone calls to women causing them to suffer psychiatric injury. The House of Lords held that silence can amount to an assault and that bodily harm includes psychiatric injury for the purposes of Section 47, 20 and 18 of the Offences Against the Person Act 1861. This video is part of a series of videos on law from www.e-lawresources.co.uk. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel www.youtube.com/@e-lawresources. It's free to do so and will help us to keep providing these videos. Check out our website which provides lecture outlines and case summaries. See also www.elawrevision.org.uk for revision games and quizzes. Thanks for watching.